In today's video we're going to try something new from Wix Studio, which is visual sitemap and wireframe generator. As you can see, apparently they're using AI here to create a whole backbone of a website, which is a sitemap and of course the wireframes. Which reminds me that this is something similar like Reloom, but I suspect it's even better because they don't gatekeep behind pro plans and stuff like that, and they provide everything for their community right there and then. So we have to answer a couple of questions in the brief, basically describe the business, then create a visual sitemap and probably reorder sections and pages that we want to create, then generate the wireframes, which are really important for beginning of a website, and then all that create into a pretty much ready website. Okay, let's go. What is the business type? We're gonna say that this is portfolio, UI design portfolio. Exactly, describe this business. Okay, this is going to be portfolio of a UI designer specializing. Portfolio of a UI designer specialized in micro animations, mobile design, and UX design. Choose the site's main services. Sell products or services. Get booked online. Showcase a portfolio only? Yes, let's do it. Name of the business. Our designer's name will be Viola Dante. Just made it up. Where is the business located? Viola Dante is going to be located in Sacramento. Who is the target audience? Fashion forward individuals and environmentally conscious buyers. Her target audience is going to be Silicon Valley startups with social impact driven solutions. What makes this business unique? Viola offers stunning user-centered mobile interfaces by also providing delightful micro animations. What are the main goals of this website? The goal of this site is to showcase Viola Dante's skills and also to get her new clients in the future. Okay, tone of voice. Let's see, UI designers are more, I would say, playful, casual, or confident. Viola Dante sounds like she's confident. Let's see, visual sitemap and wireframes, yes. And now we wait. And here it is. We already have our wireframe. Let's preview it. Is there any animation created? No. Okay. So we have our template created with a couple of sections, and interesting. We have only one image for the hero section. Let's see what we have here in the layers. We have a header, hero section, portfolio showcase, okay, with a couple of icons, testimonials, good, some community focused stories, contact for collaboration, and tiny bit of footer, okay. And for pages we have about, home, experiences, resources, utility pages, okay. Let's see the about one. This is Viola, okay, nothing too complicated, but I think it's a good and interesting layout. Let me see. What I would do is probably exchange the cells, like move this one here and exchange it to create some kind of Z pattern and break up the monotonous layout. So let's see what other pages do we have. Experiences, mobile design, featured projects, good, I like this. We can do some cool animations here to showcase her animations, micro animation skills, of course. Design tools, okay, interesting. Technologies, creative process, interesting way to visualize that, okay. We're gonna edit also the footer because that's very bare at the moment. Resources, Oh, I guess here is something like a blog that she can do for her website, so she can attract more visitors. We have a contact page. That's good. We're gonna add the form here. Basic, but nice start. We have accessibility statement. This is interesting. Informative. Let's see the portfolio itself. Portfolio page. This will be basically the gallery with projects that she has, I assume. We can use that. Collection pages. Project pages. Okay, this will be each individual project. Short description. Okay. Good. That's actually pretty good. That's like a great start. If you don't know where to start from, I think that's a great starting point. I'm just previewing what steps they included. We did the brief. We didn't do the visual sitemap. Okay, the visual sitemap is right here. Oh, I see. Beautiful. These are main pages and these are portfolio pages here on the bottom. Okay, here's section showcase, client testimonial, community focus, contact information, good, biography, career highlights, design philosophy, community involvement, work experience. Okay, tools and software tutorials, design articles. Okay, now everything makes more sense. Okay, that looks really good. What else can we do? We just can start and edit the template itself, the wireframe, and we can create the template in a couple of steps. That's it. That's how easy you can create a website with Wix Studio, and with just a couple of answered questions you can get a really good starting point for your website. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And if you really enjoyed it, share it with a friend that might find this useful. If you have any recommendations for future videos, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and see you in the next one. Bye!